We are officially on level 11, lesson 4, using addition to subtract tens. Wait a minute. How do you add to subtract? That just sounds crazy to me. Well, here's the thing. You've been using addition to solve subtraction problems all year long as one of your strategies. That happens when you start at a small number and you count up to see how many it takes to get to your final number. So if I have 30 and I want to figure out how many it takes to get to 70, I can just count by tens. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now, is that going to be 4 or 40? You guessed it, 40. So if I start at 30 and I count up by tens to get to 70, I'm going to add 40 to make 70. So 30 plus 40 should equal 70. Let's figure this out. 4, 5, 6, 7. Now it's not just 7, it's 70. All right, so we used addition to solve a subtraction problem. So 70 take away 30 should equal 40, and I can prove that by drawing my 10 sticks. 40, 50, 60, 70, take away 30. 10, 20, 30. How many did I have left? I had 4 10 sticks. Now, is that just 4? Not a chance. That's 40. Doesn't this remind you of fact families? 30 plus 40 equals 70. 40 plus 30 equals 70. 70 take away 30 equals 40. It's all the same numbers in that same family. So you can use addition to solve subtraction problems. Isn't that wild? Let's do a couple more practice problems before I send you on your way. Let's look at this problem right here. 20 plus something equals 60. Well, on my number line, I can put 20 down and jump by tens until I get to 60. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now I landed in the right spot, but how many tens did I add to get there? Well, we always go back and double check our work to see how many jumps we did. 10, 20, 30, 40. I took 4 jumps of 10. So 20 plus 40 equals 60. So 60 take away 20 equals what? Well, we know we can use addition to solve subtraction problems. Check out those fact families. I've got the same 3 numbers, 20, 40, 60. 60, 20. What's missing? That's right, 40. And I can always check if I do start at 60 and I jump back 10, 20, 30, 40. Where did I land? Right on 20, where I need to be. Let's do the next problem together. Now you can either be listening along to this and following along, or you can be writing it down yourself. You do whatever works for you. So we have 30. If you're working with me, put a number line down and draw 30, because that's where we're going to start. 30 plus something, we don't know, equals 80. Well, we know if we jump by tens, that's going to be the fastest way to get to 80. I definitely don't want to jump by ones because I'm going to run out of room and I'm going to have to write so many jumps. So I'm going to count by tens. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I've landed in the right spot. Let's see how many tens it took me to get there. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 30 plus 50 equals 80. So 80 minus 30 equals Check out that fact family. What's missing? 80, 80. 30, 30, 50. 80 take away 30 equals 50. Another way I can prove that is to draw a number line, just like we did in our takeaway problems. Start at 80 on the long end because we're going to subtract and go backwards in time. And then we're going to subtract 30. 80, 10, 20, 30. So I'm going 10 below. What's 110 less than 8? 7. Not just 7. 70. 110 less than 7. 6. 60. 110 less than 6 is 5. 80, 70, 60, 50. So we know 80, jump back 30, equals 50. On your work today, you can use whatever strategy you choose. Try the number line strategy. You know that's my favorite. Jump forward from the small number to the big number, or start at the big number and jump back. You can use either strategy. Now, I find it easier to count up, add to subtract. You do what works best for you on this lesson.